This was a call we came out on in the summer, and we took a look at this Trane unit on the side of the home. It's the upstairs unit, the biggest one. It was a wee bit low, not a lot, so we added a small bit of charge to it. I think it was maybe 2 pounds. So we come back after a couple months or so, all the refrigerant was gone. Yeah. Awesome. 3/4 inch. Right on the money. Yeah, so we look at the, we're looking around nitrogen and fill it up, and we found the evaporator just leaking like the Titanic. So we're gonna replace this evaporator coil in here today. In this beautiful, wonderful home on this Hallows Eve. So yeah, we're gonna pull this evap out. As you see, this is a zoning package on this system here. Old school barometric damper. That's damper 1. The other one should be on the other side, right over there. So we have 2 zones. Yep, thermostat equipment and all the amenities. Old school. Yeah, man, so we're gonna get this out of here today. This old evap out here. Awesome. Cool. I'll let it rip, tater chip.